Hello guys, in this video we will explain the solution to the problem of the screen turning off when playing an audio clip, whether it is an audio clip on WhatsApp or Facebook, or whatever. The important problem in general is the phone screen turning off when playing an audio clip. This is the topic of today's video, but before extending the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I thank everyone who subscribed to my channel, and I hope that they get everything they wish for and what pleases God. Of course, now let's go to the explanation. The first step we do is go to the settings. After that, we click on the battery, then we cancel the power saving mode. After canceling the power saving mode, we go down. We will find all our applications here. We search for the application in which we have the problem. The application in which when you play an audio clip, the phone screen turns off. You click on that application, for example. You click on it. After that, you cancel the activation of this option. Do not restrict anything and do not save the battery. After doing this process, you restart your phone. This is the first step. The second step is that we exit and then go to the settings. After that, we click on applications, then click on applications again, then we click on the three small dots above, then we click on reset. Don't worry, it will not delete anything for you. We will reset the settings to the default settings. Therefore, if you have any problem, it will be solved, and the settings will return to the default settings of the phone. You started doing this process. You restart your phone now. If you have activated these steps and done everything I explained in this video, and you do not have the problem, then most likely you have a problem with the screen protector or the proximity sensor. You clean the proximity sensor and clean it well. If you still have the problem, you replace your screen protector and put a new screen protector. It is cheap. Canada. The topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video.